Hi, good day. I am Matt Desus, a fourth year civil engineering student of Mapua University. For today, I will talk about our product innovation, step-by-step, walk to a brighter future. We'll also be talking about its features, advantages, and benefits. Step-by-step is a smart flooring system that functions because of the scientific principle of piezoelectricity. It is an innovative combination of pavement tiles and electricity generator that harvests and reserves electrical energy in battery. Our product Step by Step is inspired from the kinetic football by PaveGen Systems, which converts energy from people's footsteps into small electrical power. The first produced batch of Step by Step will come in a size of 120 centimeters by 120 centimeters. The key feature of our product innovation is the piezoelectric transducers. Piezoelectric transducers are a type of electroacoustic transducer that convert the electrical charges produced by some force of solid materials into energy. The number of piezoelectric transducers varies depending on the size of the tile that the client wants. Each transducer will be connected in a series parallel connection. It also features a control unit wherein maintenance are done, and it is also where each tile is observed. It also acts as a storage room for the tools to be used when doing repair. It also includes a light indicator and a code number wherein the light indicator lights up when the tile needs repair or maintenance. The main advantage of having this product is you will not have a problem on dealing with the cost of the electricity, since it will help lessen the amount you will be needing to pay. Step-by-step benefits the environment through the use of sustainable electric power that could generate up to 10 watts of energy. People will also benefit from it, since the amount of money that they spend on electricity will be lessened. This kinetic tile innovation could help provide power for the streetlights or even for small towns. Unlike other sources of electric power, this type of energy generation is efficient, sustainable, and safe for the environment. It also keeps our environment clean, as there is no emission of pollutants, and since most materials are recycled, and it doesn't generate hazardous waste. That's all for our product innovation. Step by step, walk to a brighter future. Once again, I am Matt De Jesus.